In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate pages on Wix. If you've ever designed a page you love and want to reuse that layout without rebuilding it from scratch, duplicating is the fastest and safest way to go. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so your copy looks and behaves exactly how you expect. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor for the site you want to work on. On the left side of the editor, look for the page icon in the main toolbar. It typically looks like a small stack or a sheet symbol and opens your site's Pages panel. Click that icon to reveal the full list of pages on your site, including any folders or nested pages you may have organized. Next, in the Pages panel, find the page you want to duplicate. Hover over it so the options appear, then click the three dots, sometimes labeled as More Actions. This menu is where Wix keeps page-level tools like renaming, hiding from menus, and of course, duplicating. Taking the moment to confirm you've selected the correct page here can save you cleanup later, especially if you have similar page names. From that menu, click Duplicate. This tells Wix you want a copy of the selected page rather than a brand new blank page. You'll usually see Wix create the copy right away, and in many cases a quick follow-up option appears to confirm that you want a full page duplicate. When prompted, click Duplicate Page. Wix will generate a new page with all the sections, design elements, and most content carried over from the original. The duplicate often appears in the same section of your site structure and may include a copy or similar label in the name, so you can tell them apart at a glance. At this point, your duplicate exists and is ready for editing. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Plan to rename the copied page so it's clear what it's for, and review your navigation settings so you control whether the new page appears in your site menu. If your original page had links, anchors, or app elements, skim through the duplicate to make sure everything still points where it should. It's also a good idea to preview the duplicate to confirm spacing, images, and text look correct across desktop and mobile. That's it. You've duplicated a page in Wix in just a few clicks, keeping your design consistent and saving tons of time. When you're satisfied with your edits later, remember to publish your site so visitors can see the changes. Thanks for watching and happy building.